Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KD, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, through to students, investors and everyone so that they can make their own investment decisions through our technology products and innovative investment strategies and various technical strategies that we adopt. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. So as you might be aware, we have put our English and Tamil videos in our company's website, that is Fibocan's website. I am sure that all of you will be watching it. It will be very interesting, exciting, and you all will learn tremendously, particularly the one whose mother tongue is Tamil will appreciate the Tanglish video very much. I would request everyone to see the video, put your comments, pass on to your friends and known person, and also anyone who is above the age of 17 should see all these videos, because after all it is going to develop their knowledge, nothing else, right? So today is April 17, 2023, Monday. Bank Nifty closed 0.3% up, 42,262.60, while Nifty closed 0.68% down, 17,706.8. What happened? This morning, while SGS Nifty was indicating that there is going to be a gap down start, and globally it was more or less opening at the same levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty opened powerfully in the morning. But normally such powerful opening at a crucial level are not a good indicator. What happened? It opened a gap up, significantly gap up, and above the Bollinger Upper Band and just below the 100-day exponential moving, 100-day simple moving average for Nifty. From there it started falling. And ultimately it formed, for both Bank Nifty and Nifty, it formed a candle called the two candles, combination of two candles, it formed a dark cloud cover. That is what we call. Tomorrow, if it forms a red candle, then it is the combination of three candles will be either you can call it as a dark cloud cover today, or the combination of Friday, today and tomorrow's candle, you can call it as a evening star. It has made provision that it can form an evening star. Hence, I would request everyone to be cautious at this stage, because today's move was a very powerful down move. Bulls took it up significantly opening up, but bears came back and pushed it powerfully. But during the end of the day, probably bulls managed to make some recovery of the last ground, but ultimately closing below the Bollinger Band for both Bank Nifty and Nifty tells us that the weakness has started. Hence one has to be cautious. However, this being the first reversal, one has to observe. You can't say that it is the trend has reversed. Normally what happened? First reversal one should ignore. Second reversal is a confirmation. Third reversal, if it happens, is a 100% confirmation that the trend has changed. But definitely caution one has to exercise if people were to go long. Avoid going long, caution exercise, because it's clearly a reversal, powerful reversal candle. So all the components of Nifty and Bank Nifty, particularly the HDFC twins, it opened a gap up and it formed similar candles. And the IT sector was terribly weak today. Obviously, Infosys, we had expected that Infosys to open gap down, but opening straight away 10% gap down is something which is not good. And also, if you recollect, we have been telling to avoid all the IT stocks for quite some time. In fact, we have been telling since last year, that is 2022 onwards. The reason is very simple. If one were to analyze the, see now also, I don't know, I'm sorry to say, I don't want to say that, but unfortunately analysts make me say that. Few analysts in TV now also, they are jokers. They come and say that this is the right time to buy, it is now really valued and all those things. Nothing. Please don't enter, because if you analyze the 3 months, 6 months candle, Infi has broken 1364. That means it is significantly going down. And if this trend goes this year, when I say this year, 2023 December, it will close by forming a solid red candle. Already it has formed that solid red candle, and if that happens, next year Yes, it can continue downward, or it can be sideways, or it can form a reversal. But that is for next year, 2024, not in 2023. So TCS is also looking weak. SCL is also looking weak. In the yearly chart, SCL has formed a gravestone doji. That is what one of the doji types it has formed. So things are looking terrible as far as IT is concerned. Hence, no, for small investors, you please wait for the right time. Don't enter now, rush to enter. Always there is a tomorrow. That's what we want to say. So overall, the texture of the market has changed. It was expected that anytime it will change, but the morning, within minutes, it changed. That was something which was surprise to everyone. But professional traders always anticipate for such events and play accordingly, right? When we analyze the components, bankings, HDFC Bank fell 1% down, and AU, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Bank, and Bandhan Bank 1% up, along with IDFC, Federal Bank, IDFC First Bank, and SBI up by 2%. So Federal Bank is moving up, and SBI is also moving up, while HDFC Bank short-term up move is arrested. So just be careful with HDFC trades. On the financials, HDFC fell 1%. Bajaj Finance, IDFC, L&T Finance, LIC and Muthoot up by 1%. Chola and Shriram up by 2%. On the insurance and cards, LIC down by 1%. ICICI General, ICICI Pru and SBI Life up by 1%. Oil and Telecom, Bharti fell 1%. Reliance remained flat. Bharti again, it opened a gap up. It opened near the 100-day moving average above the Bollinger Upper Band, came down significantly and closed below Friday's close. In fact, Nifty formed a bearish engulf covering the previous 5 or 6 candles. It's a very powerful negative candle. So please be cautious. I'm not able to see a stock that is showing very strong upward movement. On the IT sector, terrible. Please don't look at that side. Apple, TCS 1% down. Birlasoft, Emphasis, Wipro 2% down. Coforge, SCL, LTTS 3% down. Techam 5% down. LTIM 6% down. Infi 9% down. I said right, opening itself it opened the gap down, 10% down. At one stage it was even 11% down. So people will say it is now cheap. What is cheap? There is nothing called cheap. It is fairly priced or underpriced or overpriced. That's all. There is no concept of cheap. So it is not fairly priced. It is overpriced even at this stage technically. I am not going into the fundamentals. On the consumer goods, ABF, Oral and PVR down 1%. Asian Paints, Britannia, ITC, Page, Pidilite and Titan 1% up. Nestle had a big up move of 4%. But Nestle and all is just 19,000 to 20,000. There is no movement beyond that for Nestle. So just it's of no use. Automobiles, Bajaj Auto 1% down. Bharat Forge, Escorts, Hero Motor, M&M and Motherson 1% up. So M&M though it is up, M&M look weak in the charts. Be cautious. Metals, Coal, Indalo, Sail and Vedanta 1% up. National Aluminium 2% up. Health and Pharma, Divi's, Lalpath and Sun Pharma 1% down. Others remained flat like the Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Apollo, everything remained flat. In the others category, India Cements and Jubilant Food fell 1%. L&T fell 2%. L&T had a big dream run, so it remained it fell. DLF also had a dream run. It remained flat today. IRCTC, Ultratech 1% up. Aries and Havels 2% up. With all these things, what do we expect for option expiry on Thursday? So for Bank Nifty, we expect support is going to be at the daily middle band. Bollinger middle band daily will act as a very strong support, which is somewhere around 4317 levels. And resistance is going to be 2023 high and above. So hence somewhere around 43,700. So 2023 high, above that is somewhere where strong resistance is coming, because it has taken out all the levels. But today's reversal gives a very good comfort to on the upward direction also. But just these are general levels we say. We don't give any recommendations. Okay. Nifty, same way. We expect that 7387, which is the 200-day exponential moving average, is a very strong support. And on the resistance, the 2023 high will act as a very strong resistance, which is nothing but 18 to 51.90. Thank you very much.